Good morning, everyone. Students, as you all know, we are with the fourth chapter of our accountancy subject, and now we are going to move with one by one the particular subsidiary books. In the previous session, we discussed about the cash book, and just we had few of the examples with the theoretical part in the previous session. So now, today we are in today's session, what we are going to do is we are going to solve the cash book, right? We are going to solve the problems, the illustrations on the cash book, and after that even we are going to go for the posting of the accounts. We are going to post the accounts as well over here. So let's see one by one. Just the question I have forwarded you all, the question you all know that. So in this question, just I will highlight what all the things are there and what all things will be taken over here and how you are going to understand the part. Now here in the previous session, you all saw the format of single column cash book, and in that most probably one side you are going to take the part of money, the amount which is been received or which you are having in balance, and other side the payments, whatever the expenses you will be doing, the other side the payments you are going to make. So here we know now the pattern or the format in this cash book, single column cash book. We know everything now, as per the performa or specimen we have seen. Now what is the point to be discussed over here is we are going to have the illustration for this. So let's see what all things, what all question in that question we are having. First, cash in hand, 30,000. So cash in hand means what? You are going to remove cash account. Remember the part, you are removing cash account. When you are removing cash account means what? If you are having existing cash, it will be just the balance which you are carried. Yes, the balance which you are carrying. If you are showing just like cash in hand means the balance amount you are having in hand. After that, what all entries come, that we will see one by one. So here, next is cash received from Mr. Shiva. See, the problem is what? The two books we are having over here, the old one and new one. I have taken the illustration from the old book, and even in the new book NCERT we are having the same illustrations over there. So here, cash received from Mr. Shiva means you are receiving the cash means what? The receipt part means you are receiving the cash in the sense what? You are going to make it in the receipt part over here. So just understand the point. Here you are receiving the cash means debtor side, and paying the cash means credit side. That is one thing. Now next, insurance paid. Insurance payments, you are making the payments. Your cash is going out, right? So this side. The next one is purchase furniture. Now obviously you are making the expenses. Purchase furniture, you are purchasing the furniture means your expenses, the payments you are going to make other side, this side. Then sold goods for cash. If you are selling goods means what? You are going to receive something. What? For cash means here sold goods for cash 28,000 rupees. The sales if you are made, obviously the receipt side means you are going to receive 28,000 rupees cash, okay, on the sell of goods. So here you are going to take the other part. The next one is purchase goods from Sudha for cash. You have purchased goods from Sudha. How much it is? Cost is 17,400. Now again you are making the payments other side. Yes, payments if you are making, you are going to take here. Then next one, purchase stationery. Obviously again the expenses means you are going to make this side. Then cash paid to Rukmani on account. You are paying the cash means payment side again here. Then next, goods sold to Kamal for cash. When you are making the sales means 18,200. If you have made the sales, you are going to receive the cash means receipt side. Then paid monthly rent. Obviously the payments mean the expenses part over this credit side. Then lastly, paid salary 3,500 means this side. Now these things we are going to frame. These all questions we are going to take in the cash book. Let's see how the cash book comes over here. This is single column cash book. Okay. So this is what all about the cash book, where we are going to make the entries. So one by one, the first entry says that cash in hand. If you are having the cash in hand means in the cash book you are going to carry down the cash here. So as usually to balance carried down, the balance is been carried down. How much is the cash balance over in his hand? 30,000. 30,000 cash balance is having. The date for this is 1st October. Then other point, second point, cash received from Mr. Shiva. Here what you are going to make over here? To Mr. Shiva's account. To Mr. Shiva's account. We are receiving the cash over here. Here 12,000. 12,000. See, for your understanding, this is one of the first problem. For your understanding, I will write here small narrations also. Just to know, to Mr. Shiva's account means what you have taken the transaction, means you have received cash. Even these points you can mention. Just for understanding purpose I am writing. Even you can copy down the same. For your understanding, you can write that cash received. You have received cash from Mr. Shiva. Then next one, insurance paid. You are paying the insurance means what? By insurance account. How much it is? The amount is 6,000. Just you can say here insurance paid. See, if you all want for understanding purpose, you can write this part, or else just you can go for this part. So I am making the wordings, I am using this wording as account. Why? Because we are going to open the ledger accounts for this separately again. For that purpose I am naming this, or this. Even you can just write, if you understand whole of the part, just you can use the words only insurance. No need to give the accounts and all. Why I am writing that means when we post the accounts to the ledger, it will be very easy to understand. For that purpose I am writing by insurance account, means we are going to take that separate ledger account in the name of insurance. Okay, remember these things. And even this side, Mr. Shiva's account, Just you can write Mr. Shiva. No need to write this account and all. Why I am writing for your purpose is you can understand how many accounts you are going to remove further. For that understanding purpose, we are using these words. That's it. Insurance account means what? We are going to open a ledger account of insurance as well. So you can easily calculate how many accounts you are going to remove further, okay, for posting purpose. So that gives you clear idea about it. Then next, purchase furniture. Obviously, purchase furniture means furniture account you are going to make. Buy furniture account. You can write the same like narration. Purchased furniture. What is the cost of this purchase furniture? 13,800. Okay. Next, sold goods for cash. You have sold goods for cash means you have made the sales transaction over here. So next part will be sales. You are going to, when you sell the goods, you receive the cash, right? So it will be taken over here at other part. So receipt side to sales account. So even you can go for the narration just like goods sold for cash or sold goods for cash. Sold goods for cash. Sold goods for cash. In that, what is the cost over here? 28,000. 28,000 is the cost of that sales. Means sales price is 28,000. Now next, what is the next entry over here? Sold goods got over, then purchased goods from Sudha for cash. Now again, the new word comes over here, purchase account over here. So here you can say that by purchase account over here. By purchase account. Then even the narration you can write goods purchased. What transaction you have taken, that you are going to mention over here. The amount is 17,400. Okay. Then next entry is what? Purchase stationery. Even this is what? Payment side. That is what the expenses purchased. What it is? Stationery. So by stationery account. By stationery account. So what is the cost over for this? Purchase stationery 1,100. 1,100. So purchased stationery. Purchase stationery. That's it. Then next one. Cash paid to Rukmini on account. How much rupees you have paid cash? 12,500. By Rukmani account. Capital paid to Rukmani. Cash means capital paid to Rukmini. Okay. What is the amount over here? 12,500. See, as per the previous things, in the previous chapter, as we were passing the journal accounts, then we were posting to the ledger accounts, which you all feel easy. The previous one, the journal accounts, or this part. Later on, I will discuss about this. So next part is sold goods to Kamal for cash. Means again the sales account here to sales account. How much? Sold goods for cash. Sold goods for cash. What is the thing? How much is the amount over here? 18,200. As usually, 18,200. 18,200. Okay. So even dates I have not written. Just check it out. The dates. Here Shiva's date will be 4. Then sales is 16, and one more sales is 27. 27. Then this side insurance paid is 8th October. Then 13, 17, and next 20, and one more Rukmani is 24. Okay. Now remaining part. How many accounts are remained yet? Sold only 2 accounts are remained now. Let's see what all that. Paid monthly rent 2,500. So by rent account again. By rent account 2,500. So as usually the narration rent paid. This is what the narration over here. Then one more paid salary is 3,500 by salary account 3,500 paid salary. Okay. Now calculate both the sides, and which is greater side? Tell me. Which is greater side? You are going to calculate both sides and you have to tell me which is the greater side. Which accounts, this accounts value is more or this accounts? Tell me fast. Yes, fast. Which accounts are more over here? Here small values are there, here big values are there. Just like 30, 12, 28, 18, 200. Then obviously this side will be greater. Somewhere 88,200. This value is more. How much? 88,200. Just you can go through is 28, 30, 40. 40 plus 30, 70. 70, 80, 88, 200. 88,200 will be the value. Now obviously these values are very few. So what will be the values over here if you calculate? Check it out. 4, 5, 6, 18,500, 19,600, 20, 37, 37. Here we are having less value. Less value in the sense what? 23. How much it will be? Check it out. What will be the value over this? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the values. Which are the things?
Sir, I think 56,300.
56,300 total.
Yes,
Is it?
sir.
Then if you reduce this from 88,500, what will be the remaining value? Check it fast. Can you calculate these values for me, or I should calculate? Okay, I will try my own. 4, 5, 6, 18,500, 19,600, 20, 30, 37, 37,
I think 31,900.
53, 56,800 it is. correct?
Yes, sir.
56,800. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
88,600. If you reduce 56,800, what will be the value now? If I have done any of the mistake, check it out in the values.
Sir, 88,200 it is.
88,200. Okay, sorry.
To 600.
88,200. That only I am asking you all. So it will be like 31,400,
Yes, sir.
correct?
So minus 31,400.
That only minus value, the balance value. What we are going to make over here is by balance carried down. By
Yes, sir.
balance carried down means further we are going to carry 31,400. So both the sides get tally over here 88,200. Okay. Then here in downside, just you can show over here. Can you, are you all able to see this? No, I think so. See, check it out. I am making the entries over here at the end part. Here you are going to write to balance brought down. To balance brought down. What is 31,400? That's it. So here we end up with the problem. Cash book got completed. If you all are having any of the doubts, you can check it out. If any doubts are there regarding this, raise the doubts now. See,
No, sir.
you should not have any of the doubts. For that purpose, I have written the narration also. And for further understanding, how many ledger accounts we will be opening, even that you are going to know here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ledger accounts you are going to open. Just check it out. 9 are there or no? 9 accounts you are going to open. Ledger accounts, how much? 9 accounts. Now, everyone, is there any of the doubts to raise over here? No. Yes, the answer was 31,400 here we have done over here. No doubts regarding this? Shall I go for the posting one? I will move for the postings of ledgers.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Then I will move further. Okay, how many accounts we are going to open here? 9 ledger accounts we are going to open. So as usually the first account comes with the Shiva's account, right? Let's make the posting of this. So only one entries are there for each and every thing. For only sales we are having double entries. So these all things you all know now. Debtor side, creditor side, then all the accounts. The first we goes with the Mr. Shiva's account. Then let next one more. Only single entries are there over here. We are not having more of the entries in this. So first one was Shiva's account. Second, which account? Which account you are going to take? You have made the sales over there. Second. Can you all reply me? आपके भी आंसर्स हम यहाँ पर एक्सेप्ट करेंगे. Just go through the things. So these all things we are having. So first Shiva's account, what you are going to maintain over here? In Shiva's account you have taken what? Cash, right? Cash received from Mr. Shiva. So most probably you are going to be credited the amount over here, right? How the transactions
Yes, sir.
come in between, in that you are going to understand the transaction, and then you are going to take the entry over here. Before that we are having some of the theory part. Theory part just I will highlight over that so that you can understand the concept here. See, as an evidence from the above example, what previously we have discussed the example, left hand side of the cash book show receipt side. Yes, left side we were having the receipt, left hand side we were having the receipts. Then on the whereas right hand side we were having the cash book, payment is made in cash. Whatever the payment we made, it was on the right side, that is what the credit side over there. Then the account appearing in the debit side of the cash book are credited. See, remember the things. So the accounts appearing on the debit side means this side, payment side, will be credited. Remember the point, in the theoretically it is told for you how the account appearing in the debit side. Which is the debit side? Left hand side was the debit side over here, is debit side of the cash book are been credited respectively ledger accounts, because cash has been received in respect of them. Where you are receiving the cash with respect of that accounts, we are receiving means all the debit side in your cash book. If you are looking for the debit side, receipt side, all the things will be credited. What all things are there in that? All the accounts are being credited over here. Remember this point. Then thus in our example, an entry, cash received from Mr. Shiva. Now we have received the cash from Mr. Shiva, appears on debit side of the cash book. Yes, obviously when we received the cash from Shiva, we were looking the appearance of that entry on the debit side. Left hand side it was there. Debit side means receipt side. Then convey that in cash been received from Shiva. Therefore the ledger, now whatever the ledger account we have removed, Mr. Shiva's account will be credited by writing by cash account. So here by cash we are going to make the entry over here. This side, credit side, we are going to take the entry in the particular column of the credit side. Similarly, this is all about the first side. Whatever the receipts entries we took, totally we are going to credit in the ledger accounts. Remember the point. We are going to make all the credit entries for the debit side which we made in the cash book. This point has to be remembered by you. The next one, all the other accounts naming appearing on the credit side. Right hand side we will having the credit entries. You may remember the points. What all things are there? Purchase, then stationery, then about the furniture, all the accounts. What we have to do is, you are going to credit side in the cash book are being debited writing to cash account. What? To cash account you are going to say, and that you are going to make here debit entries. This is what debit side, this is what credit side. In the cash book, whatever the credit side entries were there, that all entries you are going to record in the data side here. Remember the points. This is most important part to remember for you. In posting of ledger accounts, you are going to do these things. So as usually, when the cash, one entry you can say that, which was insurance paid. In insurance account to cash. Here, when I get the insurance account, I am going to say that to cash. How much? What is the amount over here? 6,000. That's it. That entry got over. Means it was taken in the cash book for credit side. Entries we are going to take here in the debtor side. That's it. Okay. So these points has to be remembered over here. All the entries regarding the debit side of the cash book will be credited. Credit side of your cash book will be debited over here. So one by one, I will take the entries. All the cash transactions only are there in this ledger account everywhere. So the first entry, on which date it was? Cash in hand, we are having the balance over there. The Shiva's account, it was took place on the 4th October 4th. What is the entry? By cash, 12,000. 12,000. So this entry got over. Now other side, just will take particularly from the debit side, which all accounts were there. Then cash received after the sales. In sales account, we received the cash. We have taken 2 times the sales. So next I will take here sales account. Sales account, we have made 2 entries in this. We have made sales 2 times, which on the dates were 16th and 27th. We have made 2 times sales. It was sales account 28,000 and sales account 18,200. So 16th October and 27th by cash. How much? First one value is 28,000. 28,000 and 27th value is how much? 18,200. 18,200. So all the entries regarding the debtor side of your cash book got over. Yes. See, Shiva's account got over, then sales account, both of the entries got over. Now coming to the other part, insurance. The next entry will be insurance account. Insurance account. So here, as usually, debtor side and credit side. Now, what things you are going to have over here? Insurance account. By cash, how much thousand you have paid over here? Sorry,
6,000.
by insurance account 6,000. So you are going to take over here. On which date it is? 8th October. October 8. By to cash. How much? 6,000. So this entry got over, finished. Then next, furniture. Furniture account. You purchase the furniture to cash. On which date it is? 13th October. To cash. How much it is? What is the value? 13,800, right? So even this entry got over, right? So only single entries we are having over here. We are not having any more entries about this. So next, as the furniture was purchased in the question, the next one is what? Stationery purchase. Now next one will be, one more purchase is there. Purchased goods purchase also is there. Now next one will be, the next entry will be purchase account. As usually, on which date it is? 17th October. 17th October to cash. What is the value over here? 17,400. So even this account got over. Okay, next account. Next entry, what is the next entry over here? Which account we are going to remove? One more. Next, stationery account. Again, debtor side, credit side, what it is? Stationery account to cash only. 20th October to cash. What is the value over here for stationery? 1,100. That's it. Even this entry got over. Is there any of the doubts regarding this part? अगर कुछ doubts है
No,
तो आप raise कर सकते हो. Everyone. See, I may get disconnected due to the shortage of time. Just I will try to complete the account. After stationery, what entry we had taken over here?
Rukmani's account.
Rukmani's account. So here we are having Rukmani's account. Now this part is known for you now. How to pass the entries, you know. 24th October to cash. How much amount it is? 12,500.
12,500.
12,500.
12,500. Okay. So even this got completed over here. Next is what? Rent.
Rent account.
Rent account.
On which date it is?
30
28.
To cash. What is the value amount? 2,500. Then even this entry got over. Which is the another entry last? Salary, right?
Salary account.
To cash. What is the amount over here? 3,500.
3,500.
Then last date 30, right? 30. 30 October. These are the accounts. So by this we end up the cash book part. So one more is there that you can try homework. As a homework, just remove only the cash book. Don't remove any of the ledger accounts for that. See, if you are having any of the doubts regarding this, just raise the doubts.
No, sir.
Put up the time.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
What about others?
No, sir.
No doubts. See, next class we will be having at 11 o'clock, okay? Economics.
Yes, sir.